I'm going to use a little ether, man's best friend. Alright, go ahead. Just wanted to go. Oh, it would have went there. I just squirted it. Best smoke, eh? I know that's not too good to be doing, but this thing's about a fucking pile of horse shit. There's my piece of shit. Oh, she's got some smoke. She's a little blue. That's alright. There's my pile of shit. At a 95 Power Stroke. Got the Unistack. From Indiana, that's what the Indiana boys do. For me, good old John Deere sticker. It is 5-speed manual. Got the little goodies, boost, pyrometer. Power Stroke. She's alright though, other than that, for the most part. I didn't pay a whole lot of money for her. Got a pretty good deal. And learn my buddy's Jeep.